In this video, we will look into required documents to create seller account on Noon UAE. At Noon, we can't create seller account on individual details. We need some documents to create seller account on Noon. Here's the document checklist you need. Before you can list your products on Noon UAE, you need to get your documents in order. To become Noon partner, you'll need 1. A valid trade license registered in the UAE. 2. A valid Emirates ID to verify your identity. 3. Business bank account to receive payments. 4. A VAT registration certificate if applicable. 5. Proof of address like a utility bill or tenancy contract or business address. These are all the documents required to create your seller account on Noon. Your business bank account should be on your company's name and not your individual account. Make sure your documents are clear and in JPEG or PDF format. Upload them through the seller dashboard and wait for approval. Avoid expired IDs, blurry scans, and wrong file formats to speed up the process. Get your documents ready and start your Noon selling partner journey. In next video, we will provide information about cost of trade license and how to register it here. See you in next video.